What if I told you the key to tapping into your raw, natural power wasn't in some high-tech lab or a prescription bottle, but right in your kitchen? What if the secret to putting a little more fire in your veins and a lion in your heart was hiding on your spice rack? Sounds a bit wild, I know. But for generations, the men in my family have sworn by this. My grandfather, he was just one of those guys. A man of the earth who, even deep into his 80s, had this incredible vigor that men half his age would kill for. He just had this spark in his eye, a strength in his step you couldn't miss. His secret? A daily drink. A potent, almost magical recipe he claimed was the source of his energy. He called it his iron brew, a secret passed down from his father before him. For the longest time, I brushed it off as just a cool family story. Then I finally tried it. So today I'm breaking with tradition. I'm pulling back the curtain to share that exact secret with you. We're going to mix 7 everyday ingredients to create a drink rooted in traditional wisdom and backed by some really interesting science, all designed to support peak male wellness. Stick with me, because you're about to get the blueprint. The modern man's dilemma. Before we get mixing, let's just talk about why so many of us feel like we need a boost in the first place. I mean, we live in a world that's constantly draining our masculine energy, right? We're getting hit from all sides with stress from work, money pressures, and the 24/7 grind of modern life. Our diets are often full of processed junk that's missing the key nutrients our bodies are screaming for. We're sleeping less, worrying more. And the result is this slow, creeping drain on our vitality. It's like a silent epidemic. That feeling of being less than. Less energy for the gym. Less drive to go after your goals. Less fire in the bedroom. You start to feel like a watered-down version of yourself, and everyone tells you, hey, that's just part of getting older. I'm here to tell you it is not, and you don't have to just accept it. That feeling of decline isn't a life sentence. It's a signal. It's your body telling you it's running on the wrong kind of fuel. The ancient wisdom our grandfathers knew has been buried under a mountain of convenience foods and quick fixes that don't solve the real problem. The problem isn't you. It's that we've lost touch with the powerful, natural solutions that have kept men going for centuries. This recipe is more than a drink. It's a way to reconnect. It's a way to fight back against the things that drain your power and start rebuilding your vitality from the ground up, using nature's own toolkit. Unveiling Grandpa's Iron Brew. My grandfather didn't have fancy supplements or a PhD in nutrition. He had the wisdom of the earth. He understood that some foods don't just fill your stomach, they fuel your inner fire. His iron brew wasn't just a random mix of stuff. It was a lineup of nature's most potent ingredients for supporting male health. He'd make it every single morning. It was a ritual, and he was serious about it. He used to tell me he was mixing his potion of power, and as a kid, I'd just watch, totally captivated. It wasn't until I got older and started looking into these ingredients myself that I had my mind blown. I realized Grandpa wasn't just telling stories. His folk wisdom was pointing to some profound science. Each of the 7 ingredients in this drink plays a part, working together to support things like blood flow, hormonal health, and the very core of a man's energy. It's a symphony of natural power, and today, you're the conductor. So let's head to the kitchen and meet the 7 champions of vitality. The 7 ingredients of power. This is where the real magic and the science happens. Let's break down each ingredient. First, ginger, the warrior's root. For thousands of years, ginger has been loved for more than its spicy kick. It's known for its warming, energizing properties. Science is now starting to catch up with traditional wisdom. Some animal studies suggest ginger might support the body's natural pathways for producing testosterone. Plus, ginger is well known for promoting healthy blood circulation. And as every guy knows, good circulation is non-negotiable for peak performance. Second, turmeric, the golden spice of life. That bright golden color in turmeric comes from curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. Chronic inflammation can mess with all your body's systems, and curcumin helps to cool that internal fire. What's really exciting is that some preliminary research is exploring how curcumin may support the pathways that create nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, which is absolutely fundamental for healthy erectile function. We still need more human trials to know for sure, but the potential here is incredible. Third, black pepper, the activator. Don't sleep on this humble spice. By itself, curcumin from turmeric is tough for our bodies to absorb. But black pepper contains piperine, which basically unlocks curcumin's full power. One famous study showed that piperine can boost the absorption of curcumin by an unbelievable 2,000%. Just a tiny pinch makes sure all that golden goodness doesn't go to waste. It supercharges the whole mix. Fourth, garlic, the pungent powerhouse. Garlic is another ancient remedy that science is starting to back up. It contains allicin, which is released when you crush or chop it. Allicin is a rock star for supporting circulation and heart health. While most of the research is in early stages, particularly animal studies, garlic has been a staple in the diets of strong men for thousands of years for a very good reason. Fifth, the egg yolk, the foundation. For years, the egg yolk got a bad rap, but it's a nutritional gold mine. It's packed with nutrients, including vitamin D. Most importantly for us, it contains cholesterol. Now, before you get nervous, you need to understand this. Testosterone is literally made from cholesterol. It's a fundamental building block for this key male hormone. It's also true that for most healthy people, eating cholesterol won't automatically raise your testosterone because our bodies have a complex system to keep things balanced. But giving your body the essential raw materials it needs to function is just plain smart. Sixth, cinnamon, the sweet igniter. Cinnamon is so much more than a holiday spice. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants. Some animal studies have explored its potential to support testosterone levels and sperm health. While we're waiting for more solid human evidence, its long history as a vitality booster makes it a key player in our iron brew. And seventh, honey, nature's golden nectar. Finally, a touch of sweetness with raw honey. Honey has been used traditionally as a natural aphrodisiac and provides a quick source of clean energy. It also contains trace minerals like boron, which some studies have linked to healthy testosterone levels. While the amount in a spoonful of honey is small, every little bit helps when you're creating a powerful synergy. It's the perfect finishing touch. The ritual of creation. All right, you know the players. It's time to bring them together. This isn't just about dumping ingredients in a cup, it's about creating a daily ritual that's all about you and your well-being. Here's the simple step-by-step process. 1. Prepare your base. In a mug, drop in 1 raw egg yolk. 2. Grate the power roots. Finally, grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger and 1 small clove of garlic right into the mug. 3. Add the golden spices. Add half a teaspoon of good turmeric powder, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 4. Combine the elements. Grab a fork or a small whisk and mix everything into a thick, powerful paste at the bottom of the mug. 5. Activate with heat. Pour 1 cup of hot but not boiling water or milk over the paste. Stir like you mean it until it's all dissolved. 6. The final touch. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for an antioxidant kick, and stir in a tablespoon of raw honey until it disappears. Just take a second and look at that rich golden drink you just made. That's a statement. That's you committing to your own health. If you're finding this useful and you're ready to take back your vitality, do me a favor and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments, which of these ingredients surprised you the most? And don't forget to subscribe because you are not going to want to miss what I'm sharing next week. Drink this while it's warm. Try to make it part of your morning routine. Look, this isn't some magic pill that works in an hour. This is about consistently giving your body the powerful, natural tools it needs to build you up. It's about creating a solid foundation of strength and vitality, 1 sip at a time. It's a declaration that you're taking back your masculine energy. Now, while this recipe is an incredible tool for daily support, if you're looking for an even more potent and convenient boost, we've developed something special. Our ideal solution, Herbal Remedy, is a professionally formulated blend that takes these principles to the next level. It's designed with concentrated extracts to more effectively support testosterone, enhance endurance, and ignite your libido. Thousands of men have already felt the difference. Thank you for joining me on this journey back to strength. Try this recipe, feel the difference for yourself, and remember to subscribe for more secrets to unlocking your best self. Disclaimer: this recipe is intended as a dietary supplement for overall wellness. The claims made about these ingredients are based on traditional use and preliminary scientific research, much of which is from animal studies. This elixir is not a magic cure and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Individual results may vary. Over-the-counter supplements for male enhancement often lack robust scientific proof and can carry risks or interact with medications. If you have a persistent health concern, such as erectile dysfunction or low libido, it is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional or a urologist for an accurate diagnosis and a safe, personalized treatment plan. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Peter White. See you in the next one.